Grandma and Jack's show burp contest. We're doing this because of someone's request in the comments about yesterday.
Wonder who they're hoping to win, me or you?
Well, you said you would win, so 1 minute.
Cheers first, and then I'll set it. Cheers. May the best
3
man, woman live. I mean, win. We will live.
Oh my God! Did you put it in the drink?
I'll never tell. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go now. That was terrible.
Are we supposed to do it? Burp? Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Keep going.
You're dumb. I'm gonna scoot away. I think I won. I win. I don't know, you kind of added some extra spice in there.
3, 2, you have to start the timer.
I know. That's
1,
what this hand's for.
Go. Didn't start.
Did start.
You took 1 drink.
I made him wait for this. Was it worth the wait? Oh, that's a nice, had a nice bass sound to it. Mine's too gurgly. Solid quality there.
It's like you're tutoring me.
I'm burning calories as I'm burping, I think. If I could just work that into a 6-pack, I would be making money. Whew! Got my second wind. And in school, my goal was always to burp my entire name using that. So, like, my name would have been...
That's your entire life goal?
Carpet Molly.
Carpet Molly.
I always tried burping the whole thing. I probably got kind of close to it because I was a good burper in high school, too. I was so hoping I would get...
You like burp for everyone?
like an award for best burper in high school, but...
Are you joking?
I didn't win.
Wait, are you being serious?
I wanted it. Maybe it's because I didn't burp at the reunion to remind him that I'm excellent at it. I don't know.
I can't tell if you're being serious or not.
How long have you known me? Ooh, that hurt. Is this what Chelsea does? I don't get it. Good God of mercy. Good God of mercy.
Oh my God. Safe to say you won.
Thank you. Oh, I did get an award then. What's my award?
You're probably gonna get some subscribers. Oh, also, you have to subscribe, or else tell them what happens if you don't subscribe.
I will come to your house, and I will find you. You don't want that. You don't want that.
And, yeah. So just remember that if you have any challenges, like another burp challenge or something like that, you can just say it in the comments, and I will find it, or she will find it, because we both have access to the channel.
Not saying that we'll do everything that you
Yeah,
ask, but
we'll choose something. Maybe every like 1 or 2 weeks, we'll figure something out.
yeah, we like to have fun.
Yep.
This channel's all about just having a good time, a good clean time, making people laugh. Life's too short not to laugh. People are going
moving around upstairs.
They're probably scared half to death. They're like, what is that?